Welcome to this lesson. The question we have on the board says, solve the equation log x base 3 equal to y is equal to log 2x minus 1 base 9. Now, these are the options we are given. Remember, what we are solving is JAMB past questions. Okay, from this equation we have on the board, we are going to derive two equations, which is log x base 3 equal to y and y equal to log 2x minus 1 base 9. Remember the law of logarithm that says that if log n base x is equal to p, this implies that x raised to power p is equal to n. Now we are going to apply this in this equation. From here, we have that 3 raised to power y is equal to x. We'll call this equation 1. In this equation, 9 raised to power y is equal to 2x minus 1. We'll call this equation 2. Now we are going to solve this simultaneously. Since 3y is equal to x, so from here we have 3 raised to power 2y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now interchanging this, we will have 3 raised to power y raised to power 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. Remember, this is our equation 2. Now, since 3 raised to power y is equal to x, we are going to substitute this equation 1 in equation 2. So we have x squared is equal to 2x minus 1. Equate this to 0, we have x squared. This crosses is changed to minus 2x. This crosses is changed to plus 1 is equal to 0. At this point, we can factorize. Now, two factors or two numbers that when we multiply, we have 1. And when we add, we have what? Minus 2, which is the coefficient of x here. Now, remember that the only factor one have is 1 times 1. So here we have x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Remember, minus x will give us minus 2x. Now, let's group this. What is common here? X, factor it out. X into x squared will have x. X into minus x will have minus 1. Minus, what is common here is 1. 1 into this. Because of the minus here, minus times plus will give us minus. So we have x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's bring these two together. We have x minus 1 multiply x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and we have that x is equal to 1. We are going to substitute x equal to 1 in equation 1. Our equation 1 says that x 3 raised to power y is equal to x. Now our x is 1. We have 3 raised to power y is equal to 1. Remember, a law of indices, any number raised to power 0 is 1. Since the base number here is 3, we are going to change this. So we have 3 raised to power y is equal to 3 raised to power 0. Since our base numbers are equal, we can now equate the powers. Therefore, y is equal to 0. This is our value for y, and this is our value for x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. From our options, the correct option here is option D. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.